Crypto bubbles look so juicy today. Look at this. Everything is in green. Oh, not everything. At least most of the coins out there are in green, particularly Dogecoin. Dogecoin is up to the 19%. WIF is up 20%, Floki 12%, Shiba Inu 5%, Bonk 9%, Fed 9%. It's like day of meme coins. I don't know. Maybe Pepe also is up 5%. So to an extent, we are seeing some green in the market. That means maybe this week might be a good week for cryptocurrency. You know, because I think like if we are looking at what is going on right now with Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, we might as well assume that maybe this weekend is gonna be cool. But as I mentioned to those of you who are part of my VIP group, make sure you are already in profit, take out your profits and wait for the market to show sign of strength. And what I mean by the market showing sign of strength is Bitcoin going above $72,000 and stay above it, and more particularly want to see Bitcoin go and make higher highs. If not, then we might see Bitcoin, retrace back to $51,000. I'm gonna explain to you guys how this is possible, and we're gonna look at XYO Coin today, Filecoin, Quant, Shiba Inu to an extent, and more to that. We're gonna look at, I think, Floki Inu. Yeah, Floki Inu. We're gonna do some analysis and see what's going on with this project. So if say you are new on this platform, you are watching the BETONG Crypto. Yeah, I create content to help you understand market structure, understand when to take out profit and when to stay away from the market. If say you follow my content diligently, you are always going to be safe or be on the safe side whenever the market is going south. If say you're new here, then make sure you go and smash a subscribe button. If say you are a returning subscriber, you're awesome, and you know the drill. Like, share, and comment your thought below. Haven't said all this nice stuff? Let's dive right away into what we got today, or what I got for you guys today. Okay, now let's begin with this. Like, okay, the market looks somehow juicy, looks good, right? All of these meme coins are doing well. Wave is up, like, I mean, this coin is now at almost, it's going almost to 4 billion market cap. I don't know what's going on here, but it's like this coin, this meme coin is gonna be here to stay, and it's now, I think, the third largest meme coin after Shiba Inu. The first is Dogecoin, second is Shiba Inu, and now we are seeing that wave. Of course, Floki Inu is there, and maybe we're gonna see the book of memes, coming on board. But now the reason why I'm showing you guys all this is to understand one thing. Bitcoin should give the signal. If Bitcoin is not doing anything, all of this movement that you are seeing here with Bonk, Dogecoin, with Floki, it's nothing. It's not come back. Price is not come back to where it started pumping. I'm gonna explain to you guys more, as we go on. But let's look at this before we go there. By the way, let's give me more likes. Mike, following on Twitter. Follow me on Twitter. This is my Twitter handle. We're gonna look at some stuff going on Twitter. Let me see if say I have something really cool. Yeah, let's show this age. Saw this ages ago, but meme coins hurt my head. Okay, meme coin hurts your head. Okay, um, Bitcoin retail long and short around 70 and 72K will likely get liquidated. Who get liquidated first? Looks like first 70K, then up to 72K. Yeah, that's possible. I'm gonna look at the liquidation heat map. Yeah, but let's first of all dive to the price action of Bitcoin to see where Bitcoin is right now. And this is Bitcoin on the 10 minute time frame. Looking at Bitcoin on the 10 minute time frame, excuse guys, I will say that Bitcoin looked bearish. The alpha trend has put a sell signal, yeah. And Bitcoin has been trying to break above 71,000 towards 72,000, the zone up here. whether Bitcoin is in this zone right now, Bitcoin isn't healthy, and all the problem you're seeing out there with these coins, if Bitcoin has to take a deep dive to the downside, then all of these coins are gonna follow Bitcoin because Bitcoin is the alpha. No coin can, fight against the big daddy. Yeah. So looking at Bitcoin right now on this smaller time frame, I would say there's a lot of noise here on this smaller time frame. Let's look at the 4 hours time frame so we can, get to understand where market structure is at this point in time. Now, looking at market structure, I would say that we are in an uptrend. You see, price bounce from the better moving average. First time came again and bounce, and at this time around, we are seeing higher highs. Even though we're not seeing higher lows, even though we're not seeing higher highs in terms of Bitcoin going to from the next all-time high. But this movement here is sustainable to an extent that you see Bitcoin is still holding around where the alpha trend printed its sell signal, and we still have liquidity here at $72,000. Looking at this vector candle here, I think Bitcoin is gonna go to recover this vector candle before maybe you say Bitcoin is not able to break this structure, then we can see price move even more downward to about 52 or $51,000. But as of now, I think that Bitcoin, long term or let's say short term, looks bullish, right? But if we go to the 1 day time frame, you're gonna see that there's something here that I think most people are not seeing or they are not talking about, and this is like these vector candles. Yeah, this vector candle around 52,000, as I mentioned. So like these three vector candles, 1, 2, 3. Bitcoin hasn't recovered these candles like fully, or let me say the market makers haven't yet recovered this vector candle, and this is not healthy. Whenever I see a vector candle like this, that price hasn't come to recover, I think maybe they are planning something, you know, something big, to dump the price on most of us, and then all coins are gonna do really bad. But guys, I don't like my concern. It's not that Bitcoin goes down or up. My concern is before Bitcoin makes this move, I want to anticipate this move ahead of time so that I am in cash or mostly in Bitcoin, to take advantage of the altcoins that I trade on a daily, weekly basis. So, I do see, particularly to look at this different market structure of Bitcoin so I can understand what to do with other altcoins out there. And if, say, we look at this is a liquidation heat map. Let's just refresh this and see the different areas where we can expect price to go. It's not like 100% certain at times, but when we look at this liquidation heat map, it can give us a clue on how the market can move. Like right now, we are around, should I say $70,000 or almost to $71,000. But you can see clearly that Bitcoin has been, moving in this range, 70,000, 69,000. But it hasn't yet broken the structure to go above 71,000 to start trading above 72,000 or at $72,000. So if Bitcoin, we are looking at this liquidity here and the one down here, I think they can first of all go up to sweep the liquidity up there, and then come down here to sweep the one down. These are all possibilities that can take place in the market. And if, say, we look at this model 2, you can also see that like clearly around $72,000, or let's say 72,016. There's like high or huge liquidity there for market makers to push price to that area, and you can see it also down here at around $69,000 and around $70,000. So Bitcoin has been moving around this range. We need to see Bitcoin break this range before we can actually conclude on anything. And if, say, we look at, okay, I've looked at this already, but let's move to let's begin with some altcoins. Let's see what we got here. But before we go, I want to welcome those of you who are here with me. If you are joining me, let me know. Mohammed Tahi, it's good to have you here. I'm always happy to see you guys here. Like this video, share this video. comment any coin you are holding. If you wanted to do TA on it, you have to comment that I should do TA on it. If not, I wouldn't be able to know which coins you are holding. That's why I recommend most of my community members, those of you who are part of my, my VIP or my Patreon, you should come and be part of this. Most of that, those of you who are also part of my general group, be part of my live stream, because if say you're not there, I won't be able to know exactly which coins you are holding, so I can do TA to help you out with those coins. Now let's go to XYO. XYO, like, actually, I have to be honest with you guys. I haven't yet gotten this coin. I want to buy this coin from CoinW. I created a new account from CoinW recently, and I've been tracking the price of SIO. I'm going to explain to you guys why I didn't buy SIO before and why I'm going to buy SIO anytime soon. Now, I didn't buy XYO before because the price was not at the zone where I wanted price to go, and I've been waiting for price to excuse and I'm waiting for price to come and kiss the better moving average, or at least kiss the the 200 moving average. And despite that, I've seen that price has been attempting to go up, come down, go up, come down, go up, come down. But I drew this this box here, waiting for price to come there, and price actually reacted at that zone, and it was above the 50-day moving average. And now what I'm waiting to, like, what I want to see next is for price to move at least towards the better moving average. And if I see price there, then I'm gonna buy XYO. I told you guys that I'm someone who is patient. I love the coin because I have seen that most of you guys are in the coin, and also I've seen that the coin has huge potential for long term. So I'm not gonna rush in my way to get into the coin quickly and be in loss, because I've seen how it has been pumping. You can see, so I want to see market structure, respected. You can see, yeah, it's not healthy looking at the price action right now for this coin. It's not healthy for me to just get in right now. I need to see some sort of good entry position for me to buy and then hold and make more profit to the upside. So you can see, let price should come and respect these areas here. At least come. Let's like I want to see price get to the better moving average. If price gets there, then I am gonna buy this coin. If the price doesn't go there, then I'm not gonna buy it. But looking at the daily time frame, I would say I'm bullish. But let me see if I can bring in the Trendilo. Yeah, okay. The Trendilo shows that price has been at the oversold area. Now we are going towards the overbought area, but I think right now we are still in a danger zone because the Trendilo hasn't yet crossed this middle line here. If say hasn't yet crossed this middle line, then we are still bearish, with XYO. Guys, I love to look at this on a macro level, because I don't want to be, focusing my mind on short term. I do more swing trade. I buy certain coins and I keep on taking profit every week, and then like buy back. But this time around, look at different projects that have high potential. Well, let me look at the 4 hours time frame for XYO coin. Looking at the 4 hours time frame, I would say that price is pretty on at a zone where I'm gonna be, let's say, tempted to buy, right? But if I have to buy XYO, then I'm gonna buy it short term. But there's something I've seen yet, which is I think I have to pay attention to on the 4 hours time frame, is that price is still below like this red moving average here on the better moving average, the red one in the middle. Price is below. So if I see price goes above that moving average, maybe I can consider buy XYO. Then maybe it's gonna be a short trade. I'm gonna take out profit quickly at 0.01 0.001629, at this top here. So I'm gonna take profit there if say I have to buy the coin, let me say, when price move, give me some signal like short term trade. So looking at XYO, this is what I'm looking at. This is my thought process on the project. I think the project is good, but right now I'm still looking at a perfect entry, to either trade it or hold it long term. But I love the project. Most of you are already in the project, and I have to do TA to help you guys to protect your investment, to be able to understand how to go about it. Now, the next that I want us to look at here is QNT. I've talked about QNT like to you guys or on my platform, but not like often as before. But I want to keep bringing this coin to you guys, so that you can see something that I'm seeing here. This coin is gonna get to about $1,000, I think, by the end of this year, right? And looking at the price right now, I think it's so undervalued. Now, looking at where price is after this huge pump to the upside, like let's stay on the daily time frame, so we can get more juicy, analysis here. Now let's plug in the volume profile so I can see where I am right now or where price is right now, so we know what we can expect. Now, looking at where price is at the value area high, looking at the volume profile, the fixed volume profile, and where we can expect price to move towards is around this zone here. That's $122. This is around the POC. But if price comes to the POC, then we can expect price as well to go to the value area low, which is around $113. So within this range, QNT is good. You can see price has been rejecting this value area high, and this is in correlation to the previous price action. You can see price rejected this zone here, and it's around 52, 152 or 150, let's say $53. But now, why is price rejecting this area? Let's go to the 5 day time frame. Let's see previous data. What has happened in this area before? You can see, looking at this area, there is a like the alpha trend printed this like was moving sideways, yeah, which means there was high liquidity here or huge liquidity here, and this is a reason why price isn't able to break this zone, yeah, like easily. But now I think that the next movement for quants is gonna push the price straight away to recover this vector candle here, and that's gonna be around 200 or 220. Let's say about this should take us to about 225,000, $225 thousand, as if this is Bitcoin. But that's the area where I'm expecting this coin to go like within no time. And the zone where we can see where we can expect more pullback for QNT is around the this golden pocket. You can see the golden pocket here, and the golden pocket is around $300 or $280. So this is important. I drew this volume, this from the bottom retracement tool, so it can give me an estimate of like what I might expect in terms of upside for this coin if say price have to break structure and keep moving to the upside. But if say the worst case scenario, we can see price go back to $100. I think that's the area where price has been holding for a long time now. You can see this zone has been like a critical area of like support for QNT. Each time price get to that $100 area, price has been bouncing. Except before, when price came right down to $39. I think that was during the bear market. It was really terrible. Bitcoin. I think that was during the FTX saga stuff. But it recovered, went right up to 2018, and it came back and held but again at $100. But now we are seeing price holding at this area here. This is a strong resistance area, and if price break this resistance where it is right now, then the upside is bogus. So keep an eye on QNT. I can see you, Garfish, just subscribe to channel. Thanks for subscribing. You are awesome. I'm happy to have you on board to the family. If say you want to continue, you can be part of our Telegram group. The link I found below this video. But let's keep on the good work and do something else. And the next on my list, what do I got next on my list? Let me see. I got Filecoin. Let's see, Filecoin. what this bad boy is doing, oh boy, the upside for Filecoin is bogus. But now, guys, like, let me give you guys something I want you to take home today. The way I analyze the market, I I know most people, like, everyone have their own way of doing stuff in terms of technical analysis. But the way I analyze the market, I try to wait for so many confirmation on my different tools or indicators that I have to give me like a safe haven, so that when I'm buying, I know to an extent I'm gonna be having low risks if say price goes against me. And in this case, for Filecoin, you can see that price pumped. Let's zoom this a little bit so you can see what I'm trying to say here. Now look at these guys. Filecoin look even more bullish than I even imagined. Price pumped, made this high, came and retest at the better moving average, price pumped again. You see it came down and still stay in structure above the better moving average. Price pumped now again. Now, what do you think price is waiting to do? Price is either waiting to kiss the better moving average or move straight towards this 800-day moving average. And if price does that, that's going to take price to around $15 or $16. This is huge profit short term, and this is going to happen. So those of you who like have been part of my platform, of course, this is not financial advice, but I would say that you can start DCA. Like, if so you have $100, because those of you who are part of my community, I know we are not people who have so much money, right? We try to invest the little we have to keep compounding. That's why I want to work with people who have little or no money to help them grow, because I've been there, had little or no money, and I managed to derive or create a good strategy that helped me out, and I want to keep sharing this with you guys. So looking at this right now, the target for this coin, if say we have to pull, let me say, if I let me bring in the Fenerbahce extension tool right now. If say I have to bring this right now, let me take it here, go up there, bring it here, to this area. Then exactly where I mentioned is gonna be the area where price is gonna get to. Let's say to an extent, the best case scenario is gonna be at 0.786, this area here, and that's gonna be around $13. But I think price is gonna go even more further to around this one, like 15.038, around $15. And before price get there, this moving average must have make its way downward a little bit, closing, like compressing. So that's what's gonna happen. And looking at the fact that price is still below the alpha trend, I'm a little bit skeptical to just buy instantly, like with everything. That's why I mentioned that those of you who are like, you love Filecoin, or you want to just get an exposure in Filecoin to follow the way I trade or I invest, you can start buying this coin right now. I'm already into Filecoin. I If I see price keep going downward to about $6, I'm gonna be so happy, buy more, because I know that the bounce is gonna bounce immediately back towards this area. This coin is, I'm bullish on Filecoin because it's in the big data or storage sector, the narrative in crypto. So I think they are the leaders in their category, and I'm going to be holding, like, trading this coin to make more Bitcoin. So I think the upside for this coin is really cool. Now let's go to our Floki with Floki Inu. Let's see what Floki Inu is doing, the big boy. This coin has been, like, guys, you're gonna be shocked when like, if I say to you guys that I don't hold any Floki Inu. I don't. I don't hold Floki Inu. And I'm gonna explain to you guys why I'm not holding Floki Inu at all. Now, before I held Floki Inu, it make this move up to the upside, and before I realized it has pumped like this. Now, I was supposed to get into Floki Inu at this price point during this dip, but I didn't get into it. Why? Because it didn't kiss any of my moving average, and the area where price bounced from, to me, it's not sustainable. And if I have to look at the previous pump, I see that price is still holding at this value. I mean, the point of control. Looking at the volume profile, you see, price has been struggling to break that area. That area. So if price is not able to break that zone, like if say, let me just try to see if say I can do extension. Yeah, let me see if I can extend this. Let's see if I can do it. Okay, let me extend this right now. Okay, so extending this has changed. No, I'm gonna take it back to where it was. I don't have to extend it. Let me take it back to where it was. So we have to respect previous price action. Yeah. So looking at this right now, you can see price has been bouncing from this zone here. This that's around 0.00267626. So if price is not able to break this zone for Floki Ino, I'm not gonna like attempt anything. And the way I go about my investment or trading is, if I'm not able to see confirmation, I don't feel as if I'm wasting time, because there's so many projects out there that I can go and spend my time on than a coin which has already pumped, and I don't see any entry like based on how I go about my investment or my trading. So the fact that Floki Inu is not able to break this multiple times, and if say price keep rejecting the zone, then I'll say to you guys that price is gonna come to recover all of these vector candles here. So don't think as if this coin cannot go downward. Like, it's even more dangerous looking at this price action where like how it is right now. This structure is not even healthy at all. So we want to see retracement to give us more healthy opportunities to buy back and get take price back to the upside. So this is what I'm looking at for Floki Inu. For Floki Inu. Let me see if say I have some questions here from you guys. Rafi, thanks so much for the gift. Please check out Doge, GF. Doge has a girlfriend. Okay, let me check it out. Thanks for the giveaway. Let's see. Doge, Doge girlfriend, girlfriend. Let me see. Oh boy. Can you give me the right? Should I say right? Um, Doge girlfriend. Let me see if I can find it on Coin Market Cap. Let me see. Thanks for the super chat, Doge girlfriend. Is it okay? Is it this one? Doge GF. I think this is the coin you're talking about, right? Um, this coin is actually on Uniswap. To be honest with you, I don't buy coins. I don't buy coins on, like, I don't trade on Ethereum blockchain. I don't trade on Uniswap. I don't do that. I don't like the gas fee trading on Uniswap is so much that I don't want to waste my time. There are other blockchain that I can go and spend my time and look at good project from there as well. But let's look at this on Uniswap. Let's go to Uniswap, or let's see if we can check on this on SushiSwap. Okay. But I think, let me see. Okay, SushiSwap. Let's check on this. I think I'm gonna get nope, 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 nope. Let me just go to my chart to see if say I can get that. I think this is it. Doge girlfriend. Or I think maybe it is on Mexi Global. I think, let me see. Doge GF. Let me see. Doge, no, Doge TF. I'm not able to see it on Mexi Global, but let's just stay on Ethereum. This is on. Let's just stay on this one. Okay, now let me take away. This is not respecting my indicators. You can see they are lagging on this. So let me refresh this and see where we are right now. Okay, before we look at this, let me just go and check when this coin was launched. Let's see when it was launched. Maybe it might be a good coin that I want to look at quickly. Let's see. Okay, it's a meme coin, no doubt. Let's see when it was launched. Let me see. It was launched around that was in 2021. Okay. But like when I look at this, I see that the supply is just 36% in circulation. Well, to me, it's not that good, right? It's not that good to see that the supply is this, or maybe that's the reason why the coin isn't pumping. The coin is down 91% from the all-time high. So let's go now to the chart and see what's going on there. The daily time frame. We might expect a breakout soon. You can see, like, from looking at this coin right now, I think we can see a breakout, and the target is really cool. If say we see a breakout from this area, from where it is right now, because you can see price is playing around the better moving average. This moving average here, it has been moving below, but now price break it, and we want to see price break it again and make higher highs. But now, if say I have to recommend or say something about this coin, I would say that the upside for this coin is it looks good. From like short term. If say you have to buy this coin right now, if you are holding it, try to take out your first profit at least. That's about 1x. Yeah, 1x. So this coin can 1x from where it is right now. Looking at like the way my moving averages, the way they are, or the way my indicators, the way they align, I think this is gonna happen. Because you can see price has been moving like downward, 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 and we are seeing some sort of recovery now. Even though the coin hasn't yet really pumped as all other coins are pumping, but this coin haven't really done anything yet in terms of huge upside movement. And if say you have to take out profit yet, then the next zone to take out profit again is to target this previous high here. This previous high. So this is the area here. You can target this area here, like to actually just take out your initial investment and allow your profit to to kill itself or to ride. Yeah. So like usually what I do is when I buy a project like this, which is with high risk and it's pumped, what I do is I take out the initial investment and allow the profit to be there. Just day there. We say that in pidgin. Just day there. So you can apply the same the same strategy on this Doge girlfriend. Okay, I don't know if that's let's see on Twitter. You said okay, there's active on Twitter. Okay, let me see if they're active on Twitter. Guy, like it doesn't matter if they are active on Twitter. I don't trade a coin because the community is active on Twitter. I trade a coin because of price action, or I buy a coin because of price action. I don't fall in love with any community. Like I don't actually really know what is going on in the market in terms of the news, all this stuff. Of course, they have 14.3K right now followers, and yeah, they are active. But of course, it's a meme coin. Meme coin always have community, and if the community is not that huge to push the price, and if say they don't have really cool narrative, then it won't really impact the price. So if we look at the price actually reflects what investors are doing or how they perceive the project. So looking at the price right now, I think maybe this W formation here can push the price to the upside. But of course, guys, we have to understand like who are the ones looking at this coin right now. If say they look at this coin and see that the coin is in good structure, okay, good, they can buy it. But if say they don't see it as a way to trade the coin, then maybe price might not move from where it is, or it's gonna take longer time for price to move. And looking at the rank of this coin is around 5,584 in the crypto market space, and with a market cap of 5.45 million. Meaning, if say we see any slight like movement with this coin, the upside is really good. So this coin can actually, if say there's momentum with this coin, we can see it about 10x in no time because of low liquidity. Okay, I think that's it. Do you guys have any question that you want me to respond to? If say you don't have any question and nothing, then I think I'm gonna call this a go for today. But let me know if say you have any question, something you any coin you want me to check on at this point in time. I'm gonna do my possible best to check it for you. Voila, this is it for today. And again, guys, this weekend might be a cool weekend for cryptocurrency. Bitcoin looks somehow, should I say, bullish, somehow short term. But if Bitcoin is not able to go and straight above $72,000, then don't waste your time on your altcoins. Don't like buy more. If you're holding the ones you're holding, keep holding them. Don't go and buy more, or like thinking maybe something fantastic is going to happen. And usually don't buy more during the weekend, because what happens during the weekend is if the price start pumping on Friday, on Sunday or on Monday, price retrace back towards that area where price start pumping. And again, let me stress this out to you guys. If a coin is pumping, which is in Bitcoin, then be careful. If Bitcoin is pumping and your coin is pumping, good and fine. But if Bitcoin is not pumping and your coin is pumping, then take out profit, because anything can happen if say Bitcoin retrace, and if say you take out profit, it's at your own good. It's at your own advantage, because in this case you are able to protect yourself in a way that you can buy it back when price is low. That's discount for you. So I had to stress this out for you, those of you who are still holding and in profit. You are just greedy. You want to like I don't know what you want to happen with your coin, but cash out the profit and allow the rest. Don't be greedy to want to make, so like, take the one you have and allow the rest to be there. And then if it goes up fine, it goes down good, you buy more. So do just that. Okay. And if say you haven't yet liked this video, don't like this video, help the algorithm to reach out to more people. And thanks for all of you who subscribe today. Those of you who joined me today, all the gifts. I'm so happy you, at least, I mean, it's been a long time I've not seen a gift like this. So thank you so much for that. I appreciate it. All right, guys. See you tomorrow. I think, yeah, tomorrow is Friday. See you tomorrow, same time. If I keep having you guys here with me, I'm gonna be doing this every day, so we can look at not only at the coins I am holding, but we look at different coins in the market. We look at coins that we can trade instantly, like from Coin Market Cap and Crypto Bubbles. We look at all those good stuff from this platform. All right, guys. See you tomorrow, same time. Bye bye.